what would you kind of say around account suspension? Are you worried about that? Is that something that would concern you, or what's your thoughts around that?
Yeah, one of the guys who does prep for me messaged me that and like, hey, your account suspended. No, they said, hey, can you come into the warehouse? We bit of an issue and then what's wrong? Oh, your account suspended. And I was like, checked my phone and it was like, account not suspended. And like, I'm not suspended. And I checked, it was like inbound shipping issue. Clicked acknowledge and it was all resolved. And I was like, Film, could you please not say things like that? It's not nice. It doesn't bother me. It's part of the course. Will it happen to me this year? I can't see it. Will it happen to me within the next 5 years? Statistically likely.
Yeah.
And it's just something you deal with. It happens for a reason. It's usually because Amazon sent you a warning and you didn't pay attention to it, and you get dealt with. But I've said it to a couple of people recently, and I mentioned it on our team call on Monday. I was driving on Thursday, coming into Armagh, stopped at traffic lights, noticed an email, and it was inauthenticity claim against an item. Checked the estimate, meh, kept driving. I woke up on Friday morning to an email from Amazon going, thank you, we have determined that you can still sell this listing. That's what got me suspended the last time to 3 months. Whereas 2 years later, 2 emails come in, my admin VA seen it, knew the process, knew what paperwork is required, dealt with it while I was sleeping, and by the time I woke up the next morning, the matter was resolved. And I made a point of singling that VA out at our team meeting and went, bloody well done, that is champion. That what caused me 3 months of lost trading 3 years ago, is now just 2 emails, matter of fact. So suspension doesn't bother me. Cash flow, yeah, I'm always worried about cash flow, simply because the shed that I thought was going to be a $5 grand project, probably closer to 40 now. And do I need it right now? Absolutely not. Is there any justification for building it now? I need it for Q4. I have 15 pallets of boxes arriving here probably Monday or Tuesday. I have nowhere to put 15 pallets. I've out of space for that. They're 1.8 meters high. My pallet rack is only 47 inches. So I'm getting the shed custom built to take 1.8 meter pallets. So I can take 3 1.8 stacked 3 high. But it's not ready for next week. So cash flow is always an issue, but with me, it's always comparison. Theft of joy, as you know yourself. I'm always looking at who's bigger, who's my competition, who am I aiming towards, who am I trying to pass. And that's just the way I am. That's who I am as a person. When I was doing adventure races, you didn't look at the person who was the same as you. You looked at who was the winner. You compared your times. You thought, what do I have to do to get to their time? It's a game, it's a competition, and I'm in it to win it. I'm not here to mess about. So it's fun. Why is this not fun to everybody?